B, got a gig for you. One I'd rather not have. Bright. Only way to catch this child killer is to get your hands on the original BD that recorded the whole thing. Yeah, you heard that right, unfortunately. More info attached.
The bored-out fuck gets freaky on a granny with a sight.
Still can't fathom why you...
Come on out, you little chicken shit!
Right there.
Right before he gets...
What do you think? Else it'll feel like stabbing a pillow.
Wakey, wakey, gentlemen.
What's happening? Security!
Too far away to hear us. Well, let's not do anything rash here. We just tune and sell. We don't scroll. Honest to God.
Got a
We
little
can figure-
family affair going here, huh?
People want to buy, so we sell. Business is business.
Looking for something in
You
particular?
know, if it wasn't us, there'd be someone else.
You want to see something really hardcore?
Freddy! We just supply what Night City demands. That's all.
Papa!
Great work, B. Let's hope it helps trace the motherfucker who scrolled the thing. Gig's closed.